Mirip.
Mirip who? Yeah, I like the sheep.
Mirip Nami. Tengok matanya.
Itu bagus. So many amazing food. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is hard for a girl like me.
Buka akhirnya apa ya?
Emang udah rasa?
Kalau itu rasa nggak sih yang itu?
Makasih sih mas, sekarangnya gagal.
Hai, itu karayushima ya.
あ、これこれ一つ、
はい
揚げシューマイ、はい、500円で。
Hai. Jangan takut.
These birds are scaring me. These birds keep flying to me, and I'm not scared of birds, but why do they keep flying to me?
That's called being scared of birds.
Listen, I think they like me too much. Are they like cats?
Wah, it's huge. Ini kayunya juga digoreng. Nih.
Not here.
Ini mereka yang bikinin terus dia tinggal jualnya. Nah, kamu dia ini jual buat yang lain juga nggak? Buat ini.
Is it good?
Iya.
Itu apa?
Kuncang. Kok yang kayu kayak belakangnya?
Just finished eating in Chinatown. Now we're going to... Isn't it another island or something?
No.
Oh, it's not?
Nice
Where's...
pups.
It's a lot of little puppies.
Hai hai. Hai hai. Namanya何ですか?
Emma です。
Emma?
Emma.
Hi Emma. 何歳ですか?
She's one and a half.
He's 1.5. So cute. Scared of you. Like me, like come.
Thank you.
Ngakak dia langsung nggak. Kan bahasa Inggris. Wow.
Tired human.
This is jam zaman dulu. Guess how they use it?
Light.
Like how?
Sunlight.
The sun.
Ghazali is currently running away from me because I keep taking pictures of him.
Cuma nilai.
Cocok sama kamu anu ya, warnanya.
Our Nami's best friend. Come here. Come here. Come here. A little bit more left to the left. To the left. Yes, come here. Get Nami.
Oh my god, there's another one.
Come here.
Without tickets. Please enjoy shopping. Today's last entry is 7 p.m.
Nice. We are heading
Please enjoy
the Gundam. And oof, look at how big that is, okay? Okay, and you see the people walking around. Now you see that. See the people? You see that? It's crazy. Go on.
Is that the sound?
ガンダムの起動実験まであと10秒。
Udah dilepas ya? Udah dilepas kan?
また会場内では限定商品を揃えた動くガンダムの仕組みを楽しみにお待ちしております。ここでしか買えない限定商品を揃えた横浜ならではのメニューが楽しめるマーケットファクトリー横浜をご覧形状となっておりますのでご乗車ください。Please take a closer look at powerful Gundam.
Is that ferry?
I think so.
Just got off the Gundam factory. It was a good experience. We didn't buy a thing, but it's fine because the show was pretty cool. I rated 7 out of 10.
Nice. I liked it. I give it an 8.
Ducks!
Where?
There's ducks! I see ducks. Distracted, but now we're probably going to go to the what is it called? The cable car.
Yokohama Air Cabin.
But it's 28 minutes and I'm a bit hungry. I've been hungry all day.
I've been hungry.
We're going over there. I really want to ride movie.
Di Netherlands, tinggal kesini. Oh di Cina, tinggal situ.
Rosali just told me that Japan has everything. If I want to go to the Netherlands, I can go here. Or maybe Nagasaki.
Anywhere.
Anywhere. And then Chinese, I can go to Chinatown. Everything's here in Japan. And he's right.
Chicago pipi. Bella. Or is just cheese?
It's just cheese.
Misalnya kurang kenyang. Wow, is that like apa headquarters?
We just finished eating. It was not a good meal, but it was a good experience. Now I know that I do not like Chicago pizza.
They're riding Yokohama Air Cabin. Cabin crew. I can wiggle it.
We're in the car.
Boleh berdiri. We're in the car.
What color is our car?
They're blue. That's crazy, girl.